Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking Dyson vacuum cleaners, and unfortunately our vacuum cleaner head, the one with the bristle that spins down to the very bottom, is not working. Kind of sounds like it's not getting any power. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers, in front of us is the V6 Dyson vacuum cleaner, also known as the DC59, and the vacuum itself works perfectly. However, when we hook it up to the head, it does not spin. We got to get this fixed. At this point, I've got it on the table, and what we're going to do first is disconnect this portion, and we're going to go empty the entire canister. Back inside, I'm going to push down on the release button, and that is going to open up the bottom portion. And I'm going to push it a second time, and as I push and hold this push button down, I'm going to twist off the entire canister from the vacuum cleaner and motor. And there we have it. I'll change camera angles to show you what we're looking at. With the two parts separated, I want to direct our attention to these electrical leads right here. And that is where your electrical wiring wraps around your plastic canister and feeds electrical power to this lead right here, through here, and all the way down to this portion here, and then feeds into powering your head. And over the years, unfortunately what happens, it gathers so much dust, lint, or corrosion, and we need to clean these. So what we'll do is grab a Q-tip and some rubbing alcohol and clean all of the leads. And where this connects inside here is right down inside there. And as you can see, it is extremely dusty. We have to clean that. I have some rubbing alcohol inside this little cup, and I'm going to dab the tip there, set that aside, and all I'm going to do is rub this on the leads and clean them. Yours may be dirty, they may be a lot cleaner. Get all the way around, turn it over, and inside here just kind of graze the tips where the electrical leads on the extension feed into, and I'll set that aside, and I'll get down into that dusty portion I just showed you. And we want all of that out. Look at this. And keep at it until all of that lint, dust, and debris is out of there. And I may need to get a new Q-tip, and that's okay. I'll dip this side here shortly. I just want to get all the lint out of there. Look at this. See all that? That is interfering with the electrical connection, which has caused our entire vacuum cleaner head to fail. Making progress. That's all the lint that came out of the area where our connections are. I've got a flashlight in there. A lot cleaner. That's your goal. Next, go ahead and secure the canister back onto the vacuum cleaner. You got a little tab here that has to go inside the front tab here. And once you get it in place, just push the two together. Just like that. Now directing our attention to the extension, you've got leads here, and we are going to disconnect it right here. After disconnecting those, you've got electrical leads. Go ahead and clean those with the rubbing alcohol. And on your actual connection down below, got the same leads and a little bit dusty, not too bad. And go ahead and clean the holes that the leads go into and get any and all lint and debris out of there. And while you're at it, make sure your brush rotates very smoothly, because if it doesn't, that may be your issue. And again, get down into the leads right here. Get all that lint and dust out of there. After cleaning everything, go ahead and put everything back together. And now we test it. Working perfectly like brand new. DIYers, hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. And one more thing, scrolling above is a link to our Dyson vacuum cleaner playlist. Has a lot of helpful videos. Definitely check it out. Thanks again for watching.